What's happening, everybody? Michael, Vintage Diesel Equipment Service. I'm at it again. Sorry about the yappy little puppy in the background, but he's happy to see us, I guess. Today we were working on a Kubota B7800. And we are going to replace the Dynamo. Alright, so we're gonna replace the Dynamo. You're like, Dynamo? Dynamo. What's that? Well, it's similar to an alternator. It looks kind of like this. And if you've suddenly noticed that, well, you got a battery light on your dash, or maybe you don't. Maybe instead you just see your belt, well, smoking, and you smell it. And you raised your hood, and this dude ain't turning. Well, I'm gonna show you how to replace it. So, let's get a quick look. Already got the hood up on it. That little dude lives right there. Yeah. By the way, they're doing road construction out in the front, and it might be a little noisy, but well, aren't we an equipment channel? Sometimes you just gotta hear equipment. Alright. Let me pop our panel off. There we go. Alright. So you're just gonna pop it off. It's got 2 clips on it. And then, well, the rest should be pretty self-explanatory, I would think. But, well, I guess that's why you're here, ain't it? Tell you what, let me get set up and see what we can do here. Alright, y'all, I'm sorry, I gotta run a fan. I'm fat, and it's the south. It's 1 degrees out here. So, see if I can get it situated where you might see something. Both is long and resting. So we'll sit that Dynamo right there. Oh, Dynamo. Oh, goodness. Belt's stuck in the pulleys. Alright. Alright, let's get the old belt out of the way. You can see it. That belt was in bad need of replacement. It was cracked. Well, you can see the little bits of it all over there. You can see. I mean, I can barely turn it. If you out there buying these, you'll find that genuine replacement quite expensive. This side. What I like to do usually, just after I get my bottom bolt slid through, I don't even bother with the nut yet. Throw my top bolt in it, and it'll hold it in place while I do the rest. This would be a good time as any to remind y'all to click that like and subscribe button. Maybe that notification bell. Sure helps the channel to grow. I'd sure appreciate it. top bolt. Instead that you go back and tighten the bottom. Then you go back and plug your 2 wires back in. Alright, so now we got our little dynamo back on there. We should be able to give it a crank and see where we are. Alright folks, that's how you do your dynamo. Till next time.